Fun times happen everywhere. The moments you share are priceless. Protecting your friends and family is even more important. With the Z-Edge F1 dashcam, now you can. With dual lenses, you'll never miss a moment inside or outside your car. Clearly capture license plates, road signs, or anything else on the road. The Z-Edge F1 dashcam uses supercapacitors instead of batteries, so you'll never worry about your dashcam overheating again. The dashcam is equipped with a high-class processor and captures footage in full HD. The dashcam also has super night vision. The camera is suited to low light conditions and ensures flawless video footage even when the interior is completely black. Includes GPS logging to map out your every move. The Z-Edge F1 dashcam, the protector, the karaoke recorder, the best way to record your car.